I'm Chase Boehringer with the Bucket List Lifestyle. I'm here in my kitchen cooking up a video for you guys, and I'm here today to show you how to pack a backpack. There's two different ways to pack a backpack. For years and years, I did the rolling technique, and there's one different technique, the only one that's better than rolling, and I'm about to show you first. That one is compression bags. I, for years, traveled with the rolling technique thinking it was the best thing out there until I invested just $9 in compression bags, and my entire backpacking life changed forever. So, the first thing that you have to do with compression bags is don't roll your clothes to put them in there. There's no point. All they're getting is wrinkled, nasty, and in the end, you get the exact same thing. So, I got jeans, I got my party shirt, I got t-shirts in here. You simply take them, throw them into the bag, and you throw them into this bag just like this. Take them, and they go from, it's not like that was that much in the first place. Zip them up, roll them up, and now they're tiny, and the most important fact is they stay small. Take these, put them at the bottom of your bag, and now you do that 3 or 4 times, and guess what? You have a hell of a lot more room for souvenirs, bringing back those crazy ukuleles and all that other shit you guys want to put in your bags. Here's the thing that most other travel hacking videos are not going to show you. The little tiny details, like taking this. This is a pen. Where the hell should I pack this pen? Usually it's anywhere, right? No, wrong, because guess what? You are gonna be on that airplane going into customs, and you're gonna be the guy on the airplane having to ask your neighbor, do you have a pen, please? No, keep it in your pocket or right in the very front pouch. Same thing with your passport. They ask for the passport number. You probably don't have it memorized. So have your passport, have your pen, easy access. The next thing that you have to know is when you go into the airport, you're going to need to take out your laptop and you're going to need to take out your liquids. So where do they need to be? Easy access. Keep them at the front top of your backpack, as well as your camera. You're gonna need to take this out at the airport anyways. This is something that a lot of people forget. And here's the next thing. Things like travel towels and things like your umbrellas need to be easily accessible as well. So put them right on the side pockets. When you're in Thailand and all of a sudden it starts pouring down like crazy, you're gonna be like, holy shit, and you're gonna need that umbrella now. If you don't, you're gonna be soaked and all of your stuff is gonna get soaked too. So have it easily accessible and easy to grab just in case. So I hope you guys learned a lot about packing your bag for the airport, for the flight, and for the actual experience of traveling. I'm Chase Boehringer from the Bucket List Lifestyle. I hope you learned something today, and I hope to see you on your next adventure.